Hello everyone, it's Alexandra with WTI, and this is my point of view on the Mederma PM Intensive Overnight Scar Cream. I believe something we all have in common is that we all have a scar. It can be small or it can be bigger, where from when we were kids and we played around, or as adults, maybe we got a small injury and now we have a scar. And I personally like to take care of my skin as much as possible, which is precisely what I use the Mederma PM Intensive Overnight Scar Cream. So there are many details on the label, and we can find the instructions right there. So basically, it says that if you have a new scar, the recommendation is to apply the Mederma PM Intensive Overnight Scar Cream during 8 weeks at night. And if the scar is a bit older, then you would apply it for 3 to 6 months. And definitely, this has been amazing to use. The packaging is really comfortable. It is not too big, but at the same time, you do not need as much product, which is great. So a little goes a long way. And that is my point of view.